Welcome to 2247 Miramichi Drive in Ottawa, a stunning 4-bedroom bungalow offering the perfect blend of comfort, space, and convenience. Located on a generous lot, this beautiful home features a covered porch and relaxing hot tub, perfect for those summer evenings. Inside, you will discover a spacious layout with 3-bedroom on main floor, offering plenty of room for everyone. This finished in-law suite in the basement provides excellent income potential or additional living space. Situated in a prime location, you are just a 3 minutes walk from future LRT station, steps from College Square, shopping, and minutes from Algonquin College. This exceptional property won't last long in the market. My name is Amandeep Toor. Please enjoy the video.